Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just about to fit my shower in now, so I'm going to be drilling some holes and I'll be using this jig. I got the idea off of some fella on YouTube and yeah, I liked it, so I thought I'd give it a go. So what I've done, I've marked the centre of my taps. I'm going to transfer it onto my wall, which I've done. You can't see it there, but it's there. It's near enough there, and it needs to be moved over a bit. And these are 180 apart, but the shower components are 150 centred apart, so you've got to keep that in mind. And I don't want to be finishing on that grout line, so I'm going to be just above it, you know what I mean? If you can, try and drill into a full tile, and it'll make your life easier. So yeah, let me get myself set up and then I'll show you how I'm going to do it. Right, so I've never used this before, so bear with me. I'm going to offer this up, and this is where I want it there. So I've got to work it out. I'm going to be finishing just there, so just by eye. That gives me enough wiggle room. That's good enough. Get my tape measure, measure 150, so it's 75 either side. $150. That should be a double check, guys, always double check. Because you've got to be bang on with this. Right, that's good enough. One of my X marks the spot. Right, you're going to need some water on this when you're drilling, because the bit gets hot and you're supposed to keep it wet. So when I bought this jig, you're given a bag of all different sizes. I'm going to be using this bit here. This is a little bit bigger. This is 15mm, obviously. This is probably 20mm, but it just gives me a little bit of wiggle room. I've done these loads of times and I've had nightmares with them, so for this time I'm going to give myself a bit of wiggle room. Shoot me if I'm wrong. Right. Now this is the fun part, because I don't know how this works. So I'm guessing got to match them lines up. Like obviously there's a diamond shape there, or it's square, but it looks like a diamond. Yeah, so you match the line up either side, and then you match the line up there, and you just do your best. So I'd say it's there. And that's what I mean about having a bit of wiggle room. You know what I mean? Let's go upside down, because it's not doing it for me. Right, I've marked it out. It's a bit awkward, I'm not going to lie. There we go. Make sure the drill's not on hammer. Not on a fast speed. going level as you can. Right, now we're hitting the wood, so time to change bits. So it's 30 quid, but yeah, it is what it is. What am I doing, folks? It's too late, I'm in the realms of it now. I can't. I've got a little slight adjustment up and down, left and right, because I've gone a little bit big. That is it. That is how I roll. I'm aware. Getting through to wood now.
You've got a wood bit, or are you going to use that?
No, I've got one. I thought I'd left it around Pauline's, but I found it. Lucky enough, I found a lot of my tools. Because I don't want to go back round there no more. Wednesday, the funeral.
Oh, next Wednesday?
Yeah. That's it. Jobs are good, not we're recording, you're famous for us.
Oh,
Right, I'm about to put the last one in. Just want to show you, and when you stick this in, you have to make sure it's right at the edge there, because it won't go no further. It hits a ridge. There's an olive in there, and then when you tighten this up, the olive obviously pinches, and that's all right. That's sorted. Yeah, I'm just going to put this in. This is just loose fit, guys. Again, I'm just letting you know. Put these on there. If this was all tightened up, because I've still got to mark the screws, put them in. I want to get some rust-proof screws, and the screws that they give you are like tiny, and it's got to go through the tile paste and the plasterboard, then into the wood that I put on the back of this wall. So there was no way that was going to work. So you screw these in. Yeah, so sometimes when you put these on, it might end up like that, and that's as tight as you can go. So what you do, you take it back off, and then you put some PDF tape like around it, and then like you just find that sweet point, like that biting point, as tight as you can get it, and then repeat process like silicone it. Right, I'm about to see if this fits. Should do, because I'll give it like a bit of wiggle room. So with a bit of luck, it's looking all good. Yeah, looking okay. That one's gone in. Don't go too far, because obviously you could end up giving yourself a problem getting this one in. And that's what I've done. I've gone too far in. Bring it out a bit. Will it fit? Oh yes, there it goes. That's it, it's gone on. Lovely. We have success. Don't look right, but obviously because it's not fitted, but there you go, it's in. I'm just going to show you something. Put the spirit level on it. That ain't going to work, is it? And it's got that adjustment in it that I can just finally adjust it and get that spirit level right. There you go, guys. Just show you that. Got movement, like, you know what I mean, so I can move it around a bit. wiggle it until I get bang on. Good enough? Me think so. I'm happy with that. Just got to fit it all in now. Laters, guys.